Hello guys and welcome back to another how to edit video. In today's tutorial video I will be showing you how to edit an intro like Fitz aka Mr. Steal Your Girl. Anyways, without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Let me just stop you guys right there. If you guys like this content, please like and subscribe, just because, it sort of helps me out. I'm trying to reach 1k subscribers by the end of this year, so if you guys liked, subscribed, and also told your friends about my channel, that would really mean a lot. Anyways, I'll let you guys watch the rest of this tutorial video.
Firstly, open up Premiere, then create a new project. Then go to YouTube and search up Wii Shop theme, download it and then go back into Premiere. After you have downloaded the Wii Shop theme, import it into your project. Drag it into your timeline and now you are ready for the fun part.
Okay, it's childish, can't be no homegirl, drop it like that ass, can't be no
The first step is to import a text layer and stretch it out across the intro of the Wii Shop theme. This will make editing the text into different sentences quicker and more efficient. Next, center your text by clicking on the Essential Graphics panel beneath the Effect panel. This tab will be utilized a lot, so I recommend you keep this tab open. After you have centered the text, change the font to Primetime. This font will be linked in the description below if you want to use it for yourself. Next, in the text box, type your desired intro text. For my example, I've put in what Fitz usually uses in his intro. This part is up to you and what you want. After you have entered your desired text, go over to the folded paper icon below the project library, then click Import a black screen. This will be used to make the words pop up on screen. After you place the black screen down on top of your text, drag the start of the black screen to when the first beat hits. This will be repeated throughout the entire intro. Then, head up to the Effects panel. This is where the magic happens. Move the black screen just to the right of the first word, and repeat this for all words. Make sure that when the beat hits it reveals the word. The amount of syllables should equal the amount of beat hits from the theme song. To make this process easier, when you have revealed the last word in the sentence, get rid of the black screen. This tidies the project up and makes it look neater. Then after you have finished with the first part of the intro, make a cut in the text layer when the next set of beats come in. Then type in your desired text. Again, I'm going with what Fitz usually uses in his intro, but this is again up to you. Just make sure when making this intro to make the amount of syllables to the amount of beats there are. So in this case, it would be 5 cuts as there are 5 syllables. After you have finished with the middle part of your text, you can now move on to the penultimate step. This part is a little bit trickier. You have to make the edits a little faster, so it feels a lot more difficult. Listen carefully to where the beats are. If you make this part out of time, it will ruin the flow of the video pretty significantly. Just remember, if the word has 2 syllables like the word welcome or the word enjoy, to cover half the word with the black screen. By now, you should have the 3 sentences for your intro completed. Now it's time to move on to the final step of the intro. When the soft beat comes in, you can type out what the video is going to be about. In my case, I'm putting what Fitz usually plays, PUBG, and then when the main part of the theme song comes on, that's when you cut to the gameplay. This intro is all about timing and being simple, which is guess what Fitz is good at. Make sure you tell the viewers what the video is about with this section of the intro, and make sure it flows really nicely. I suggest making both texts similar duration. That will make it smoother. And there you have it. You have successfully created an intro just like Mr. Steal Your Girl. If followed correctly, your finished product should look something like this. Anyways, thank you for watching. Comment down below who you want to see me do next, and if I should use a text-to-speech program, or if I should use my actual voice. If you need any help, feel free to ask me via Twitter or Instagram. Anyways, thanks again for watching. See you next week.